How to deposit USD on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to deposit USD on Kraken. So in order to do that procedure, first of all log in, and after you're logged in, make sure that the account is verified. And on the home page itself, you need to go ahead and tap the fundings tab from the top right hand side corner. Then it's going to direct you to this page where you need to go ahead and select deposit. And as you click on deposit, here you need to enter in the deposit amount. So go through it, and after you're done entering all of these, click the continue button to proceed on to the next step. Then you have to enter in the deposit method and your bank details, all that, and you have to go through it. If you're done entering all of these information, then you can just confirm the transaction by tapping on the confirm button. And as you're done with that procedure, then you've successfully deposited USD on Kraken. So that's how you can deposit USD on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.